So guys, I'm about to go. But I went to a special place today, the Pizza Hut. And I got this old guy. Named Romeo Jr. Or at least that's what the tag said. And guys, I'm so sick of fever. I have like a bad fever, so I just gotta make this quick, but I'm leaving this place so I won't have a webcam. I'll probably be able to do some other video cameras around the house, but probably not until my birthday. I'll make lots of videos. Yeah, my penguin was really cool today. I put it. I really didn't know Webkins had treetop rooms. That was new. See, I don't go on Webkins that much, but I do a lot. Anyway, oh yeah, I'm gonna make another video with my otter, so just stay tuned and